welcome to our kitchen. Let's make dates, tamarind and raisins chutney. I've got Zayn with me in the kitchen today.
Hi guys.
Let's see what all we need to make this chutney. What is this?
Tamarind pulp.
1.5 cup of tamarind pulp.
Half cup of dates.
Half cup of dates. These are soaked, pit removed.
2 teaspoons of raisins. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoons of pomegranate molasses.
2 teaspoons of pomegranate molasses. This is optional.
1/4 cup cane sugar. 1 teaspoon chaat masala.
Add all these ingredients in the tamarind pulp except the chaat masala. We're going to add the chaat masala in the end. So let's start.
Pomegranate molasses. Cane sugar. Dates.
Give it a mix and keep it on a stove. Let this simmer on medium-low heat.
It's fine. Okay guys, it's boiling. We're going to reduce this to half. Okay guys, switch off the stove and add the chaat masala. And give it a mix.
Friends, see the consistency? It should be like this.
Done!
Okay friends, dates, tamarind and raisins chutney is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching this short video. Please like, subscribe and share. We will see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.